The tools need to be used in cleaning monitor are microfiber or lint-free cloth and cleaning solution. The safety precaution in cleaning monitor is to unplug first the monitor from the socket to avoid the risk of electric shock. Then, use a microfiber cloth or a lint-free cloth to clean or wipe the screen. Don't use other cloth that can damage and cause scratch in the screen. Do not spray any liquid directly to the screen. Use microfiber cloth, then wipe it gently. In cleaning a keyboard, first is to use a brush to remove any dirt or dust, especially in between keys and keyboard. Using your microfiber cloth and cleaning solution, spray your cleaning solution into the microfiber cloth enough to make it damp. Wipe the microfiber cloth gently in the keys and surfaces. Mouse is one of the most peripheral devices that can easily accumulate dust and grease. The tools needed are microfiber cloth and cleaning solution to remove the dust and grease. In cleaning the mouse, spray your cleaning solution to microfiber cloth. Use the damp microfiber cloth to gently wipe the dirt and grease in mouse. To uninstall application, go to Settings. Then click the Apps option. Under the App and Features, we can see the list of applications in our device. Click the application you want to uninstall. Then click the Uninstall button. And we're done. First is go to Settings. Then search for Windows Security Settings. Under the Windows Security Settings, click the Virus and Threat Protection. To protect your device against threats, click the Quick Scan bonus for scanning virus and threats in your device. Wait until the scanning is completed. No current threat was detected in your device.